Mickey Metz here at Mountaineer RV and Outdoor Center located here in Jane Lou, West Virginia. I want to show you this 2024 Geo Pro 20 BHS. This unit has solid steps, has a nice awning with LED lights on it. If you look at the front, you'll see that it has a nice bike rack already on this unit. If you come on around, you'll see that this unit already has a slide topper on the roof. Slide toppers are very important to help protect the slide from any type of leakage on the unit. If you walk on back around, this one has a nice setup for an outside grill. It is also equipped with solar, has outside speaker. If you come around the back here, you'll see that this unit also has a ladder and is prepped for a backup camera. It has a little, on the corner end here, it also has a nice little entry door which takes you into the inside bunks. This will raise up and give you additional storage on the unit. Well, let's walk on around and go inside. Now this wall is made of a material called Asdale. Asdale is a waterproof material, waterproof, mold resistant. As you step inside, you'll see it has a nice bed with some cabinet underneath of it. Have TV located over the bed. Nice dining table that also will make into a bed. It's in the down position now. Has a little slide out. And here is your bunk beds. So it has nice bunk beds. This is the bed that raises up, gives you some extra storage. Nice little bathroom, little tub shower. Has this little sink here that pops down. And the little sink comes out from the water. Neat little idea. Got a couple little cabinets here. These are all solid doors. Nice refrigerator. This is a 12-volt fridge, so it will run off of the solar panels. You can see it has a nice oven with a 3-burner top. So if you're interested in this unit, come and see me. Mountaineer RV, located in Jane Lou, West Virginia.